Easy to mark tools. If I paint on the UV solution onto a tool, that allows us to find where the tool's been marked. And then with each UV solution, it contains 1mm discs, which under a microscope shows a unique barcode that's then registered to the rightful owner of the tool. The torches are easily accessible. You can buy them online and at quite a low price if you want to do your checks. And then with the barcode and a unique number, you also get a tamper-proof label. It also has the barcode and the QR code that's then registered to the online database. You can go on to Secure by Design to find a suitable manufacturer of the tool marking kits. Once you've applied the adhesive to the tool, you can apply the UV light to see where the tool is marked. We will look to mark the tool in various different locations, some obvious and some hidden away. We can then take a sample of the tool and